Said my mom true. Fortunately, it is. Don't worry. Yeah, because they're not mad. They are very mad. It's okay, I'll try it out with the no, but okay. It's okay, they're not coming after us. Is that why we don't go back? Is that why we don't go back to the palace? Because we're not from the palace. We just at one point we did serve them, but now we don't anymore. Because your mother gave us freedom. Yeah, America. Push America, whatever. How'd they get in the house? What? Go check it out. Let's go check it out. What is this? Read it and weep. Hey, no! Darn it. Eviction? Get out? What do you mean get out? I paid my house payment. Apparently you didn't. Tell Mr. Goodman. Breaking news, okay? Whatever. I paid my house payment. I paid. With paper money. Crash cash, green paper money. So I have to pay it next. I have to pay it whatever I want. It was prior to next month. Actually, we paid it. What's the catch? Read the fine print. There's no fine print. The bottom. And ready? Nightmare ready? Wait, ready's your full name? Yes. What's your last name? Fastbird. Are you ready for Ruddy? Are you ready for Ruddy? Shut up. You don't own the house. I do. I paid the house payment and got registered to my name. So I own the house now. That means we can be together now. No. I just over there. No. You can't kick us out. You can't do that. No. Oh, really? Okay, kick you out. I can't. Really? Watch me. I'd like to see you try. Alright, get out. But it's cold. Go. No. Come here. Ah! Not time for the rest of you.